but hopefully y'all heard that. Okay, today I'm just gonna show you guys basics, like how to start an airplane. Airplane basics, but yeah, this is airplane basics. So yeah, let's do new flight. We're gonna do new flight, and then I'm gonna put it on just me. Server type normal. Server size is 1 and create. And dispatch. Let's roll. Well, let's go, baby! Oh, almost pressed this. Yeah, but don't ask me how I did it. But yeah. What you've got, a billion could have never bought. Okay, so this is how to start an airplane. First, you press the double external power. Wait, let me get that lights on. The lights on. Yeah, but this is how you start an airplane. Put external power on. The battery is on. Go over here. Press that. These must be on. Hello. Yeah, there we go. Now we test. It works. This. Okay, that works. Think you have to press this oxygen stuff that you're not supposed to. I learned that the hard way. That thing's off, finally! We can also test the wipers if we want, but they don't work in this game for some reason. But we should wipe before this master switch and start. We must wait till start says avail. And then it's avail in green. Yeah, see, like that. And then we can press the APU clean. Then we go over here, fuel pumps. And if you want, you can press X speed. I forgot what that does, but it won't explode. It won't let the airplane explode. Trust. Then you go over here to the this by the throttle and press ignition switch to ignition start. And then you should press whatever engine. Wait a few minutes, or like 1 minute, or until the engine is fully, I don't know what you call it, but yeah, until the engine is like fully, like, I don't know what to say. Until you hear that click sound, when you hear that click sound, you can put on engine 1. And if you hear that click sound again, you can put ignition switch to normal 4. Or normal, just normal. So this is just how to start an airplane. Thank you to Lux Planes for giving me the tutorial to start a plane. There's the click, so ignition normal. So you see, that's how you start an airplane. Thanks for watching, guys.